Hello and welcome to CAD Essential Engineering Design. Today I will discuss about the shear wall design using by Stratfor V8i software. A shear wall is a structural panel that can resist the lateral forces according on it, and lateral forces are those that are parallel to the panel of the wall, which are typically wind and seismic loads. Okay, so click on the Stratfor V8i, then click on New Project, tick on Space, specify the file name. Then click on Next, then click on Finish. So first of all, you have to insert any node with the help of grid or with the help of snap node beam. Press Ctrl and click here, click 4 corners. The each dimension is 1 meter. So here I have taken 2 meter. You can insert node with the help of geometry method or another method like copy or paste. Then you can specify your required dimension. So copy these 4 nodes, paste according to the height. Say the height of the shear wall is 24 meter. So click on OK. So there is total 8 nodes. Now we have to create surface one by one. Go to geometry, then click on add surface, click on nodes one by one, anti-clockwise. And here is the front face. And if there is any opening, just have to insert any nodes and then create surface. Same like this. After that you have to insert the support. So click on the bottom nodes, assign to selected nodes and assign. Now for section property, click on thickness. Then click on the surface thickness. Specify the thickness. Say the surface thickness is 0.25 meter. So click on assign to view. Then OK. So the section property has been assigned. Here is the 3D rendering view. So click on modeling, then general, load and definition. So click on load case details. The loading type will be dead load. The title will be DL. Then click on add and close. Then click on dead load, add. So we can't add the self weight from here because this is not the surface self weight. The surface self weight is here. So click on surface loads. After that click on self weight load. Then click on add, close. So click on assign to view. Here it is not necessary to assign the member load or any other load because it carries its own weight. After that click on analysis, print all, add, close. Then click on analyze, run analysis. Then wait for the 0 error. It shows the 0 error. Then click on post processing. Then apply the load. To view the surface diagram, click on the surface. Then click on max absolute. Apply OK. Here is the surface diagram. You can create a report from here. Here is a nodal displacement. Here is a reaction. Here is the reaction summary. So here is the maximum reaction. Check the animation, deflection, apply OK. Here is the animation, so it shows it's stable. After that, for design part, click on design, then click on shear wall. So here we can see 3 panels, surface 1, surface 2 and surface 3. So we have to create panel for surface 1, 2 and 3 one by one. click on surface 1, then click on create panel, then click on OK. After that you have to click these nodes anti-clockwise one by one. After that, the panel type, you have to change the panel type as wall. Again you have to create the wall. Again you have to create panel here. If there is any problem or if you can't create the panel, then again go to surface 1, then click on create panel or click on delete panel, then click one by one. The panel type will be wall, then click on OK. So the main part is you have to create the panel. You have to create panel for surface 1, 2 and 3 one by one, and you have to change the panel type like wall. So this way you have to create the panel very easily. It's almost done. Now click on select parameters, deselect all parameters and select only two parameters, which will be compressive strength FC and Fy min, and specify the value of compressive strength and Fy min. It will depend as per the grade of the concrete. Then click on command, click on shear wall design. After that you have to assign to view all the parameters. Select, then click on assign to view, then click on OK. Then click on analyze, run analysis. So there is no error. Go to view output file, then click on shear wall design. Here is the design of the shear wall, and it shows all the dia of reinforcement. So here is the analysis and design of the shear wall. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video till the end.